Now we're going to take up zeros and coefficients of quadratic functions. No? And we have two sets of problems. The first one, for letter A, we have some problems for letter A. And instruction is, find quadratic equations with integral coefficients having the following given numbers as roots. So, we're given two roots. No? The first one is -5 and 4. As we know, the general form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And if we are given two roots, no? r sub 1 and r sub 2, we're going to use this form of equations. No? X squared minus the quantity r1 plus r2x plus the product of r1 and r2 is equal to 0. So we're going to discuss the problem now. The given is -5 and 4. So using that relation, the given equation, x squared minus the quantity -5 plus 4, the sum of these will be the coefficient of the second term. No? -5 plus 4x plus -5 times 4 is equal to 0. So the constants will be the product of the two roots. No? So adding these coefficients here for the second term, x squared plus -5 plus 4 is -1, negative is equal to positive x. No? So this one, -5 times 4 is -20. So this will be our answer for problem number 1. For number 2, we are given the two roots. R sub 1 is -3/4 and r sub 2 is 2/3. Similarly, no, we're going to add the two roots. No? The first one, x squared minus, this one is -3/4 plus this root here, second root, 2/3 x plus the product of these two roots is -3/4 times -2/3 is equal to 0. Adding, no, getting the LCD of these two fractions here. So this one is the LCD is 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3 times -3 is -9. And 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 2 is 8. No? So -9 plus 8 is -1/12. So since this is negative and this one is also negative, the coefficients of the second term of b is 1/12 positive. No? X squared plus 1/12 x. And this one is, for this one, the product of these two roots here, we cancel out 3. So what remains is 2/4 or 1/2. So this one becomes negative 1/2. So we have this now, our equations with fractions, avoiding the fractions here, getting rid of the fractions. So you get the LCD, which is 12, multiply the whole equation by 12. So this is 1, the coefficient of x squared is 1, times 12 is 12x squared. And this one cancels out the 12, so what remains is x. And this one is 12 times 1 now is -6 is equal to 0. So this will be our equation. For number 3, we are given 2/3 and -2 for our roots. No? So again, substituting this to the given formula that we have, x squared minus 2/3 plus -2 x plus the product of these two roots, 2/3 times -2 is equal to 0. Combining these two fractions and getting the LCD with these 3. So this one remains 2/3 and this one is -6/3. Combining these two terms here, 2 minus 6 is equal to -4/3. And negative times negative is positive 4/3. No? And this one, 2/3 times -2 is -4/3. So we have now x squared plus 4/3x minus 4/3 is equal to 0. So to get rid of fractions, you get the LCD of this whole equation here. The LCD is 3. So 3x, this one is x squared times 3 is 3x squared. For third x, cancels out the 3. What remains is 4x minus 4 times 3 minus 4 is equal to 0. So this will be our new, our equation. For letter B, we have another set of this one problem. Find a quadratic equation whose roots are twice the roots of 4x squared plus 8x minus 5. So we are given the whole equation. So we know that the sum of the roots of this equation, r1 plus r2, the two roots, is equal to negative b over a. So negative b is the coefficient of the second term, which is 8, negative 8, no? So this one is negative, the 8, no? So it is positive, this one is negative, no? Negative 8 over 4 is equal to negative 2. The product of this, the roots of this whole equation is r1 over times r2 is equal to c over a. C is the constant term, negative 5, and a is the first coefficient of the first term, which is 4. So the product of the two roots is negative 5 over 4. So we are looking for twice the roots of these two roots, no, of the given roots. So this is these are the given roots, no? Negative 2 and negative 5 over 4. So we multiply each of the roots by 2, and then we factor out 2. 2 times the quantity r1 plus r2 is equal to 2. The r1 plus r2, we have computed that in the original equation, which is negative 2. So twice of this one is negative 4. So twice the product of the roots, this one is multiplication. So twice that, twice that. So 2r1 times 2r2 is equal to 4r1 r2. So r1 and r2, we have computed that to be negative 5 over 4. So time is 4, no? So cancel out 4. What you get is negative 5. So our new equation now, not substituting the value of r1 plus r2 to r1 plus r2 is negative 4. X squared minus, since it's negative 4, negative 4x, and this one is negative 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Negative times negative is equal to 4x. So x squared plus 4x minus 5. So this will be our new equation, whose roots will be twice the roots of the given equations, 4x squared plus 8x minus 5. To check our answer if this is correct, no? So this will be our new equation, no? And we factor out and get the roots, no? Get the zeros, no, of these whole equations. So x will be x will be 1 and negative 5. So this will be the two roots of the new equation. Getting the roots of the given equation, 4x squared plus 8x minus 5, we factor out the trinomial here. So the factor is 2x plus 5 and 2x minus 1 equals 0. So we equate that, 2x plus 1 and 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Get the roots, no, of these equations. You get the first root is negative 5 and 2 and 1/2. No? So comparing the two roots, no, of the new equation, and this is the given equation. As you can see, if we multiply the given equation, the given roots, no, of the given equations, negative 5 over 2 times 2 is negative 5. 1/2 times 2 is 1. So that's it, no? Our answers are correct. So thank you for watching our videos for today, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by Wilfredo Tan, and also click the notification bell. And also, if you have some comments or suggestions, no, regarding our presentation, please do so. We gladly appreciate it, so that we can present, a nice problems and clear solutions to our problems. So thank you, and see you again later.